How do you feel about it today, buddy?
I don't know, it's going to be tricky because there's certain spots, like if there's shade, it's going to be muddy, so it's going to get different traction at different points. It's going to be dry here, so takeoff's going to be kind of crazy. You got to stay on top, stay heavy on the front. Otherwise, it's going to do like I did in that one, just race right up.
It could, yeah.
It's terrible. That's why I was trying to get a little bit of just practice on.
I don't blame you. James, how you feel about round 4?
I'm probably the one getting eliminated.
Don't know that.
I have to beat 337 to not get eliminated.
Well, see, there's some tricky spots, man, because the dry part's slick and you can slide, but whenever you get like in the shade where it's still wet,
it's not really muddy, but it's good traction, and it did tip up on me several times. You'll see in the GoPro video where I just about hit trees and like almost come to a stop, correct, and take off again. Because it's a good question. He had a perfect start, you know that? and mine. I'm eliminated. Holy crap! Don't tell him right away. Let's see how he feels about it. How do you feel about it?
Felt slow, really slow.
Yeah.
Like, I beat 403. What did I get?
403. You had to actually beat his time.
You had your time was 4:11, but in order to not be the slowest, because if we all beat our time, slowest gets eliminated. You had to beat my time.
Yeah,
because I was in second.
How much you beat your second by?
What was my time?
So
Like
it was-
3:20
no,
something.
His total time 3:42, so you'd be ahead of him.
3:42. Yeah.
If you both beat your time, the person in last place gets eliminated. So you have to beat 3:42. All right, you ready? 3:35.
Holy wow. That did not feel that fast.
It was fast, man.
And honestly, I think I could have done a lot better. Like,